What I was way back in the hall. I was always home. And now, and holding the past. And the past ain't dry. They rested due and rested full. These and it's